The doctor came in this morning. He didn't need to say much. Just looked at me the way you look at a candle when the wax is almost gone. Tonight, he said, maybe tomorrow, I'm sorry. I told him, don't be sorry. 94 years is a long time to finally understand 4 things. So before the wax burns out, let me empty my backpack. I've carried it too long. The first truth: the bank account never hugs you back. I remember my son's small hands tugging my sleeve. "Papa, watch me swim." And I said, "Not now, son, Papa is busy." I said that for 30 years of not now. I built an empire of not now. You know what's funny? I have more money than I'll ever spend. And tonight, in this bed, it can't hold my hand, it can't say, "I'm scared too." Chase the money if you must, but never let it babysit your children while you're gone chasing it. The second truth: waiting rooms are where dreams go to die. I always said, when I retire, I'll travel. When the kids are grown, I'll write that book. When things settle down, I'll call my brother. Things never settled down. My brother died in 2003. I was waiting for the right time to call. There is no right time. There is only this time. The waiting room isn't a place you rest. It's a place your life quietly leaves without you. The third truth: nobody claps for you on the way out. I spent my life needing people to say, "Well done." Bosses, neighbors, strangers at parties. Tonight, it's just me, this window, and the sound of my own breathing. And I realized the only person whose approval I truly needed was the boy I used to be. The one who wanted to paint. The one who wanted to be kind, not impressive. Stop performing for an audience that was never watching that closely anyway. The fourth truth: love was never complicated, I was. My wife, rest her soul, once asked me, "Do you love me?" And I said, "Of course, I work every day for this family." She looked at me so sadly. "That's not what I asked." I didn't understand it then. I do now. Love isn't the house you build. It's the hand you hold while building it. So here, take my backpack. It's lighter now. Don't wait for the doctor's voice to teach you what I just told you for free. Call your mother. Hug your kid. Forgive your brother. Put the phone down and look at the people in front of you. The clock doesn't tick backward for anyone, not even for kings.